I attended the IPCC panel talk.
So this was a very, very fascinating and helpful panel, which opened my mind to the different perspectives of how the IPCC operates, how you can fight climate change on all fronts, right?
So one of my biggest takeouts from this was the immense scale of the IPCC.
To have the opportunity to hear from so many, how would I say, well-established people in the sector also gives me hope that, yeah, there is a planet still worth fighting for, that there are people out there fighting a good fight, and I can join as well.
It's a huge opportunity. I'm incredibly interested in empowering communities in developing countries through sustainable action.
It really has inspired me to take more action in advocating for a better planet.
For someone who's still trying to figure out what she wants to do with her career, I think it's definitely given me a chance to think about the routes I want to take and sort of see where it goes in terms of whether I want to go down more the policy side or the research side of things.
Just gaining more and more information on where my career could go in the future as well. That's what's great about these events as part of the scholarship.
I think being a global sustainability leadership scholar, it is just the first step in my career, and it's kind of giving me a platform and a place to explore and ask the questions while doing my degree in order to then catapult my career.